Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best biometric gun safes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at rank number 5, we have the Biometric Handgun Safe from CTS Safe Pro. This compact safe is designed for quick access, featuring a certified fingerprint sensor that stores up to 32 fingerprints and delivers access in just 0.5 seconds. It also supports a 4 to 8 digit code for added versatility and includes emergency backup keys for critical situations. The USB-C rechargeable battery stands out here, providing up to 3 months of usage on a single 2-hour charge and even offering dual alarms for low battery warnings. The lightweight design makes it ideal for discreet placement in vehicles, nightstands, or drawers, while the corrosion-resistant steel construction ensures durability. In terms of performance, this safe delivers reliable security, but its compact size limits storage to 1 full-sized handgun or 2 smaller pistols. The anti-glare blue LED light is a thoughtful touch for nighttime access, and the silent spring-open mechanism ensures zero noise during emergencies. However, it lacks advanced features like wireless charging or a built-in clock, which are available in higher-tier models. Overall, this safe offers excellent value for budget-conscious buyers looking for simplicity and portability. It's perfect for home defense or on-the-go firearm security, but keep in mind the limited storage capacity and basic feature set. Pros include fast biometric access, rechargeable battery, and compact design. Cons are its smaller size and absence of premium features. At rank number 4, we have the groundbreaking palm vein biometric gun safe from Exegis Safe. Utilizing next-gen biometric technology, this safe scans the unique vein patterns under your palm for ultra-secure access that is unaffected by dirt, moisture, or cuts. It offers 3 unlocking options: palm vein recognition, a 9-digit PIN code, and mechanical keys, ensuring flexibility in emergencies. Its aircraft-grade alloy steel build provides exceptional durability, while the honeycomb shock-absorbing structure resists prying and impacts. With a spacious interior, it can store 2 standard-sized pistols, making it ideal for both home and car use. Performance-wise, this safe is incredibly fast, unlocking in just 0.09 seconds with palm vein scanning. The real-time LCD display adds a high-tech feel, showing battery life, temperature, and humidity levels. The silent mode feature is a great addition for discreet use, and the rechargeable lithium-ion battery promises reliable long-term operation. However, the safe's price tag and slightly heavy build may deter some buyers, especially those looking for portability. This model is ideal for tech enthusiasts and those seeking top-notch security for their firearms. Its pros include advanced biometric technology, durable construction, and a spacious interior. On the downside, it's pricier than similar safes with fewer features, and the palm vein scanning may require some getting used to. Moving on to rank number 3, we have the gun-safe biometric pistol safe from Holware. This model stands out with its vertical sliding design, which makes grabbing your firearm quick and easy during emergencies. It features 3 access methods: biometric fingerprint scanning, a combination keypad, and backup keys. The fingerprint sensor is highly accurate and stores up to 100 fingerprints, allowing multiple users to access the safe securely. The heavy-duty steel construction, paired with a padded interior, ensures your firearms are protected from both unauthorized access and physical damage. Additionally, the mounting bracket allows for versatile installation on walls, nightstands, desks, or dressers. The performance of this safe is excellent, with a smooth and silent sliding mechanism that avoids any fumbling in critical situations. The built-in LED light enhances visibility during low-light conditions. And the drawer stays open for about 10 seconds, a convenient window for quick access. While it's slightly larger than some compact safes, its design makes it perfect for bedside or mounted use. However, it lacks advanced features like wireless charging or multifunctional LCD displays that some competitors offer. This safe is ideal for users who prioritize accessibility and secure storage for a single firearm and magazine. Pros include its vertical sliding design. Accurate fingerprint sensor, and sturdy construction. Cons are its lack of additional tech-driven features and slightly higher price point compared to similar models. At rank number 2, we have the large biometric gun safe from Top Meta. This budget-friendly option packs a punch with its impressive storage capacity, fitting up to 4 pistols and accessories. The safe uses 0.1-second biometric quick access technology, storing up to 100 fingerprints for multiple users. It also includes PIN and key access for added flexibility. The durable alloy steel construction resists prying and impacts, while the padded interior prevents scratches to your firearms and valuables. Built-in LED lighting ensures visibility in low-light situations, and the silent mode feature makes it perfect for discreet use. In terms of performance, this safe provides reliable access without requiring a mobile app. The LCD display shows battery life and time, and the pre-installed batteries offer months of standby power. The reinforced steel cable and mounting screws make installation easy, whether you're securing it to your car, nightstand, or drawer. However, the safe's lower price point means it lacks advanced features like wireless charging or a built-in clock, which may appeal to tech-savvy buyers. This safe is perfect for users on a budget who need secure storage for multiple firearms. Pros include its large capacity, quick biometric access, and durable construction. Cons are the lack of advanced features and slightly heavier build compared to compact models. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Biometric Smart Safe from Aura Rare. This premium safe leads the pack with its cutting-edge features, including wireless charging for your phone and smartwatch, a 24/7 digital clock display, and a backlit LED keypad. It offers 3 access methods: biometric fingerprint scanning, a combination code, and backup keys, with an impressive response time of 500 milliseconds. The safe's alloy steel construction makes it both durable and lightweight, and the internal LED light ensures visibility during emergencies. With a capacity of 0.71 cubic feet, it easily accommodates your firearm and valuables. Performance-wise, this safe excels in convenience and tech-driven features. The wireless charging functionality is a standout, keeping your devices powered while your valuables remain secure. The humidity and temperature display adds an extra layer of utility, making this safe ideal for sensitive items like electronics or documents. However, it does come with a higher price tag, which may not suit buyers on a tight budget. This safe is ideal for tech enthusiasts and those looking for premium features in their firearm storage solution. Pros include wireless charging, a built-in digital clock, and advanced biometric technology. The only notable con is the higher price, which reflects its premium positioning. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.